Afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, empted opponents, and fellow debaters. Clearly straight to China. Makeup personally. My name is Anika Jain, and my team member is Anvi Laliteshwari Arisha Hitanchi. I am honorable to stand before you today to discuss about competition of China, introduction of China, background of China. China is the world largest greenhouse emitter, but it is also a global leader and in energy invested. Process to Adisha.
China highlights rapid economic growth, which has led to environmental challenges such as air pollution and reliance on coal for energy. Mention China commitment to climate agreement like the Paris Agreement. Then process to Anvi.
China is an East Asian country with large territories, a huge population, and ancient history. The written record during back 4,000 years ago. It is recognized as one of the fourth great ancient world together civilization of the earth and economical, political, and Indian. Moreover, it is the only ancient civilization that has continued to vary the next process to Laliteshwari.
Eastern Asia on the western share of the Pacific Ocean. Population in 2024 estimated to be around 141 crore 93 lakh 21,278, making it the second populated country in the world. Global officially is People's Republic of China (PRC) with a population extending 1.4 billion after India, representing 17.4% of the world populations. Next process to Hitanchi.
The Great Wall of China, the longest man-made structure in the world, became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Chinese food. Chinese food is based on 5 flavors that balance to create a harmful dish. Some well-known dishes includes Peking duck and contact beef soup. China's economy. China's economy has grown rapidly, increased the average household income by over 400% in 10 years. Red symbols happiness. Red is a positive color in China, representing properties, joy, courage, loyalty, honor, success, fortune, fertility, passion, summer. Invitation. The China is invited paper, the magnetic compass, printing to proclaim self, and gunpowder. Next is Anika.
China is the fourth largest land area in the world after Russia, Canada, and the United States. China is divided into 33 level division. There are a total of 14 countries around China. The border between China and India is about 1457 km long. India is border with China connect to 5 states. These states Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Sikkim, and Andhra Pradesh. Process to Anvi.
National things of China. National animal panda. National food Peking duck. National bird red crown. National sport table tennis. National city Beijing. National day October 1st. Next process to Sanika.
Problem to China. Honorable delegate, today I represent China, a national communicator, to addressing the severe and multifaceted challenges posed by climate change. China is facing level and the devastating effect of deforestation as the world's most popular country and leading includes power. We are actually aware of environment footprint. However, we all equal communicated to receive these in fact of benefit of future. Investing our process remain to on clean energy, sustainable development, and fostering international corporation in tackling the global circus. One of the most pressing issues is air pollution, which has reached the horizon level in many of our cities. Additionally, in develop of arid region, especially in the north, threat food security of displaced million. We are organized that can repel introduce growth has come at an environment cost. By we are declared to signify the reforms of achieve greener futures. Process to Hitanchi.
Solution of China program. Our key strategy in combating climate change in transition or to renewable energy, where we have made sustainable leader in wind and solar energy producing. We have committed to peaking carbon as emission before 2030 and achieving carbon neutrality 2060 as outlined in our Paris Agreement communication. Next to Arisha.
In addition to this, we have launched major afforestation programs aimed at reversing deforestation of restoring depredate land. China Great Green Wall invented afforestation project covering over 4,500 kilometers.
We are adopting cutting-edge technology in reduce infrared emission, increase energy efficiency, and promoting electric vehicles on a large scale. By 2025, we aim to have 20% of our new vehicle sales be electric, drastically cutting down on our fossil fuel independently. Arisha.
Asian reply of climate change. The demands national cooperation we call on the global in green technology and is sustained for forcing financially and technical support for the most affected and next process to Anvi and Lateshwari.
Adopted by China to solve climate change problem. China renews energy investment. China renews energy revolution. Energy recent social science 2024. Paris Agreement. China nationally depend continue NDC. Next.
And green and growth green will project the Great Green Wheel in China progress and challenges nature sustainability 2023. China Forestry Administration report on the reforestation initiatives. Next, Anvi.
China air pollution and mitigation pollution. China where air pollution accident and challenges. Environment Science and Technology 2024. Ministering Ascent and Environment of China Pollution Control Options. Next.
Innovations and green growth. Electric vehicle growth in China. Global leadership. Carbon capture and storage CCS in the China. Future Potential Science Direct 2024. Next, Anvi.
China requests financial and technological assistance to accelerate the transition to renewable energy source, especially in developing regions. Within the country, we also use the developed nation to increase funding to global reforestation and climate. Further, we seek international collaboration on green technology, especially in carbon capture and storage CCS system, which will play a pivotal role in achieving carbon neutrality process to Arisha.
We can meet our climate targets and ensure a sustainable future for all.
Specific challenges China face regarding pollution and climate change.
China faces challenges including severe pollution, water pollution, and declinify repair effluents and urbanized air control to the decrease of air quality particulates in major cities like Beijing and Beijing, defining its north regions. And water continue as impact rural and urban population alike.
How does China energy transition impact global climate efforts?
China energy transition is pivotal to global climate change. As the largest emitter of the carbon dioxide, any reactions in China carbon footprint will have a significant global impact by leading the productions and the development of solar and wind energy. China is contributing to a greener global energy grid, precedent for the other nations to follow.
How does China plan to become economic growth with environmental sustainability? China is embracing the concept of green growth, integrating environmental sustainability into its economic development plans by investing in renewable energy, promoting electric vehicles, and implementing stricter environmental regulation. China aims to sustain its economic momentum while reducing environmental direction.
China stands on global climate agreements like
The Paris Agreement.
China is fully committed to the Paris Agreement and aims to the peak carbon emissions before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. As one of the major signatory, China plays a crucial role in international negotiation and actively work to meet emission reduction targets through policy and environment. Next.
Other countries support China's efforts in addressing climate change.
Other countries can support China by sharing technology innovation, particularly in renewable energy and carbon capture technology. Additional financial aid in the form of green investing and corporation research and earn help China elevated its green transformation in held international cooperation on climate policy will be also help for a more achieve global effect.
I have a thought in China. Climate change no borders. It will not stop before the Pacific is land and the whole of the international community. Here is a show ladder responsibility to being about a sustainable development. Thank you.